Now, the vector form of the equation of a line. To find the equation of a straight line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. So, I have drawn a figure here. This is a vector B and this is a line AP. Okay. Now, let O be the origin I have already drawn origin with y axis, z axis and x axis. Now, let O be the origin and A be the fixed point with position vector A. Therefore, vector OA is represented by its position vector, that is vector A. Now, then we are having vector R. Now, let vector R be a position vector of any point P on the line drawn from A and parallel to vector B. Now, just check it. This point is P. P is any point on a line drawn through A, drawn through this A. Okay, and this is parallel to this line, this vector B. Okay. Now, since vector AP is parallel to vector B, therefore, we can write it vector AP is equal to lambda vector B, where lambda is any scalar. Now, how to represent this AP? We will be writing position vector of P minus position vector of A is equal to lambda vector B. Position vector of P is vector R minus vector A is equal to lambda vector B, and this implies vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Now, hence vector equation of a line is vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. So, this is the vector equation.